I just love the holidays. It's fun getting festive. And today I'm gonna make a festive food. I'm making red, white, and blue bread. Kind of like the one they have at Great Harvest Bread Company that I love so much. And perfect for the 4th of July. In a medium bowl, we need 3 cups of flour, teaspoon baking powder, teaspoon baking soda, teaspoon salt, and combine together. In a larger bowl, I need to cream together a cup of sugar and a stick of butter that's been softened. To that, add 2 eggs and a cup of buttermilk. Mix it in, stir in the flour mixture, blending it well. And now it's time for the red, white, and blue. A cup of whole berry cranberry sauce, red. A cup of white baking chips. And a cup of blueberries. You can use fresh or thaw out some frozen. Mix it all together. I'm gonna pour that into a greased loaf pan. Bake it at 375 for about 70 minutes. We have ourselves some red, white, and blue bread. That's tasty. Very moist. Love it. What does the Statue of Liberty stand for? Well, she can't sit down.